In this video, we are talking about the importance of investing and the importance of starting now and dollar cost averaging. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Not everyone saves for retirement, and even those who do may not be putting away nearly enough to last through the retirement years. A 2020 Federal Reserve study showed that about 25% of non-retirees were not saving for retirement. However, everyone needs to invest to create wealth, beat inflation, and save for retirement and other financial goals. Investing does not need to involve saving large sums of money. Due to compound interest, you can earn money on your initial amount invested plus all the accumulated interest from previous periods. While everyone should be investing, each person has a different investment strategy that fits their personal and financial goals. Learn what investing is, how much money you should invest, different investment strategies, and where to begin when investing. Disclaimer: please keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes only and am not a financial advisor, so you can invest money on your own risk. Thank you. Let's continue our video. So why should you invest? Investing your money is important for a few reasons. You want to create wealth to help during times of need, job loss, or for future goals. You also want to take advantage of compounding while taking into consideration inflation, so your money is not worth less over time. In addition, if you plan on stopping work at some point in retiring, investing is important to help you achieve those goals. Why now is the best time to invest? If you're looking to invest for your future, 5, 10, or 40 years off, then now is as good a time as ever to buy stocks. Despite the recession fears brought about by 2 straight quarters of negative GDP growth in the United States during the first half of 2022, it's important to remember the market is forward-looking. Stock values are based on future expected earnings. And despite the occasional GDP contractions, earnings tend to go up over the long run. That said, there are still good stocks to buy amid a recession. If you invest consistently over time, putting more cash into your investments every month or so, you'll end up catching a correction or a stock market crash on occasion. Those are opportunities to invest even more than usual if you can swing the cash flow. Of course, it's not particularly feasible to plan for the unpredictable. If the market could predict a crash in stock prices, a crash would never actually occur. How it grows? Dividend vs. growth stocks. What are key differences? So, what are dividend stocks? The difference between dividend stocks and growth stocks is based on how you emphasize each asset's return and how the company behind each stock plans for long-term growth. A dividend stock is one that emphasizes regular dividend payments instead of the asset's share price. As an investor, you plan to make the majority of your return off of these regular payments. Ultimately, when you do sell the stock, it will be a nice bonus if the price is increased and you make some money off the sale. However, by then you'll have made the returns you planned for. What are growth stocks? A growth stock is one in which you emphasize growth in the stock's share price over any other considerations. As an investor, you plan to make most of your money by selling the stock in the future. This form of profit is known as capital gains. It's a nice bonus if your stock also pays some dividends along the way, but most of your returns will come from the growth in the stock's price. Why is best to hold dollar cost average? If you are an investor looking for a strategy that cuts down on your investment risk, you might want to consider a dollar cost averaging strategy. Of course, while this approach helps you better manage risk, you are also less likely to experience outsized returns. The term dollar cost averaging refers to the practice of investing a consistent dollar amount in the same investment over a period of time. For instance, you might be interested in buying XYZ stock, but don't want to take the risk of putting in your money all at once. The importance of investing for your future growth? You need to do something at some point in your life to lead you to a growth goal. If you don't stop and think about where you want to go and what you should do, you will never make a decision on how to invest your time and money. Everyone knows that investing is key to success, but not everybody knows how to invest. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming amazing and informative videos. Thank you.